big government Bozo has denied that Medicare pricing problems on prescription drugs are a problem. His name is Dr. Howard Koh, and he is the Assistant Secretary for Health at the Department of Health and Human Services. ALG's Todd explains why a drug shortage is a national emergency.
I think the important thing that we need to look at here is people are dying because price controls on drugs that are common drugs, generic drugs, that we've known how to make for many, many years, are not being made because it's not profitable to make them. And people are dying unnecessarily. And the cause of those deaths are bureaucrats, Health and Human Services. In particular, Dr. Koh. He's Assistant Secretary for Health. He might as well be Assistant Secretary for Death.
It all brings back a dark memory for Todd.
I believe it was Governor Richard Lamb of Colorado who once said what most liberals think. And that was that old people have a responsibility to die and get out of the way. Like fruit dropping off a tree, I think was his comparison. Governor Lamb's a few years older now, but probably doesn't feel that way anymore.
How on earth could this happen? They're denying people their needed medication.
How does Dr. Koh respond to this? He says, and let me be sure I quote him correctly here, "We have come to understand that this is a complex business situation where the standard economic principles of supply and demand do not easily apply." No, Dr. Koh, this is not a complex situation. You're an idiot. Richard Nixon in the 70s put wage and price controls on. Within 2 months, we had meat shortages in this country for the first time since World War II. The Pharaohs tried price controls. Didn't work. All of these things have been tried many times before, and they never work, and the left never learns. And that's why Dr. Koh is a big government bozo.
And by the way, as messy as things are now, just think about how messy they will be when Obamacare comes into play. What a way to start the new year, huh?